Welcome back to RC3D. In this video I'm going to talk about how I made the Book 120 knife you see here. Completely 3D printed. This is how it started out. I mean, this was a failed print, this one, so it didn't start like that. I mean, this is grim, that. And this is how it ended up. Very, very little painting involved. But yeah, if you want one of these for yourself, your own cosplay or Scream costume, or just to add onto a shelf, I do have a nice, just move this out of the way, I do have a nice stand that it sits in, 3D printed as well, and now you have Scream's Book 120 knife. So yeah, I'll be right back and I'll see you shortly. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add that I'm going to be replicating this onto an 80% scale Book 120 because my son really wants one to play with. They are quite safe. I mean, there's quite a lot of bend in that. I even thought about dulling the tip, to be honest, for him to play with, so I made this version, but it doesn't quite look the same, does it? So yeah, I'll be right back and we'll get started. Right, so the first thing we're going to do, pretty straightforward. When I printed it like that on my print bed. Just, yeah, horizontally, and all the supports along this bottom edge here. This is 100% infill, but you can see on the handle there, look, you can see where I've had the zigzag supports, and a little bit along the blade there, just around there. So all I'm going to do is just give it a little file. I think that'll do. Give that a good smoothing out. Not 100% perfect. You probably already guessed it. The blade is vinyl wrapped. So I'll be right back. Just going to cut off a little bit of chrome vinyl wrap, and I'll catch you in a second. So yeah, I've got this vinyl wrap. It's, you know, nothing amazing, no particular brand. It's just something that I picked up and it'll do the job. Hopefully that's long enough. No, it's not. Maybe that way. Ah, just short. Look at that, just short. So put that to one side. Let's go again. There we go. So we've got a piece of chrome wrap, blade, and we're just going to wrap it around the end there. Just going to trim off the excess. I've hit it with a heat gun. As you can see, it's a lot tighter now. But you got to be careful when you do this. If you do this, just watch that you don't apply too much heat to the blade, because it is 100% infill, but it's still PLA or whatever you're printing in. But too much heat is going to make that bend and soften, and you don't want that. If you want a nice straight knife, just be careful with your heat gun. So I'm going to start cutting. Okay, so we've got a lot of our excess off there. I'm going to go over it again really quickly with the heat gun just to tidy up and fold some of those small edges, replace my glove, and press in here. You might have noticed I did some very small holes. That's just to let the air out. I didn't think about that before I started wrapping it because I forgot it was there. But that indentation from the knife blade, we kind of want the vinyl to sit inside that. So I'm going to fix this. Okay, so I'm back. I've heat gunned that a little bit more, just tidy it up a little bit. I've wrapped some tape, masking tape, just around the bottom of the blade and the top of the handle there, because we're going to be painting this bit silver and then going in with a Sharpie. Same down here. This end part has got to be silver, so I've just wrapped this off, just try and get in like a nice separate line there. But I'm going to get on with this and I'll catch you in a minute. So I'm just pulling down with a brush over here because I don't want it to accidentally leak in through the tape. I think we've all done it, haven't we? We've taped something off, painted it, removed the tape, and then you've got your like little bits where it's kind of snuck inside. I mean, it's as firm down as I can get it, but just that extra precaution. Pull your brush down away from the tape and you're less likely to get any in there. If I did it this way, I'll be brushing the paint inside the tape. I know it sounds like, you know, it's like I'm probably telling you how to suck eggs, like, but yeah, helpful to know if you don't. Pretty sure one of the anniversary screen masks comes with this awful looking Action Man-y type knife. If you don't know what I mean, have a Google search, and I've seen a lot of YouTube videos as well showing it off. But yeah, if you're liking the video, please consider to drop a like and subscribe. It really helped me out, sort of keeps me motivated to keep putting out more content. I made 2 or 3 of those before I decided on the chrome vinyl wrap. I wasn't happy with this flat silver, which is alright, it's decent, especially when if I hit it with a gloss clear coat, but it's not that, is it? It's not chrome. Even a variety of chrome paints, you're going to be lucky to get that, I think. Vinyl wrap was definitely the way to go, I feel, especially for a quick job. Right, so I think that'll do. I've let it sit for a little bit. I'm just going to take off the tape. Hopefully we're nice and tidy. Yeah, that looks okay. Take off this tape here. And this piece. Actually, there's multiple pieces here because I struggled getting because of the curve of the handle, I struggled getting a straight line, so I had to put multiple pieces on. This is one of the best parts of painting, I think. It's really satisfying seeing that come together. Yeah, look at that. It's not too bad. Got a bit of a wonk down here, but that's tidy up when I go in with a black on the handle. But yeah, so we're getting there. So now I've got a little bit of red. Just got some bright red and a darker red. I'm probably gonna, what I'll do is I'll do the lighter red first and darker red, but I'm just gonna get some nasty blood on here. So let's get to it. We're getting there, look, we're getting there. So I'm just going to do this side. We've got the full scale book 120 there, and then we've got a little 80% scale one, kind of looks like a bread knife or something now with that size. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you found some of this helpful. This can be applied to anything. I've used this on another project where I'm making God of War's Kratos' Chaos Blade. I'm making one of those with a chain on it, and I've wrapped it in a similar thing, and then I've weathered it. I've still got half of it to do, but I will feature that in another video just to show you that. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and cheers.